So you are starting your FRM Part 1's preparation and your plan is to start with the book 1 because obviously this is the book 1 of FRM Part 1, so all 4 books. Then you are going to commit the most common blunder students commit in the FRM Part 1's preparation. And with this blunder, because of this blunder, they end up wasting their lot of time and they get confused in the preparation. Now in this video, I will tell you how to avoid this blunder, and mainly we will discuss the self-study sequence for the FRM Part 1. This is for the 2026 session. Every year, once the GAPS curriculum is released, we come up with the self-study sequence for the FRM Part 1 because this is very important tool to start your preparation. Now let's first understand what is the requirement of self-study sequence. Now when it comes to the FRM Part 1's 4 books, the whole curriculum, the book-wise structure is not properly created or structured. The topics are not properly structured. If you want to prepare book 1's few topics, then you must have the detailed understanding of book 2 some topics, book 3 some topics, and book 4 some topics. Now if you start with the book 1, then you will get confused in the preparation because you are very new to this particular structure, this particular curriculum, and you will end up thinking like, why I'm not able to understand very basic concepts which looks basic, but still you are not able to understand it because the concepts discussed in that particular chapter are covered in the book 2, book 3, and book 4. So here in this video, we will see what is the self-study sequence and what is the right sequence for your preparation. So let's first see what is given in this particular file. So this particular file or the tool for the self-study students, it works like this. So it starts with the month 1, month 2, month 3, month 4, and so on. So here I'm assuming that you are going to prepare for around 5 months, 4 to 5 months. And because that's why this particular file provides the 5 months preparation structure. You have to adjust your preparation structure accordingly. Okay, so if you are preparing for say 7 months, then you have to adjust it or stretch out the preparation plan and the month plan. Or if you are preparing for say 4 months in total, then you have to squeeze it, right? Very simple. Now here what is provided. So first it is very simple to understand the month's reference, month 1. And here you have notes and remark. If you have any additional remarks, if you want to put here, then you can use this area. So here let's see what's given. So first month, week 1. In the first month's week 1, you have to start with the book 2's 4 topics: fundamentals of probability, random variables, common univariate random variables, and the multivariate random variables. In week 2, you have sample moments hypothesis testing, and in same week you have 3 theory topics from the book 3: banking, insurance, and the fund management. Now when I designed this designed this self-study sequence, I focused on few things. Now what is the first thing? First thing is the right sequence for the preparation. So it should feel easy for the students to prepare FRM Part 1's curriculum, and that's why I've structured this self-study sequence in this particular manner. The way the topics are ordered will ensure that the preparation journey is easy for you, one thing. Second, in many cases, I will try to fix the set or the week in such a manner which provides the combination of some theory and some numerical parts. So if the particular week or back-to-back 2 weeks are becoming too numerical heavy, then I have provided some theoretical content in between. Okay, so that's how this particular structure is provided. Now let's see, in the book 1, as I said, in the week 1, as I said, you have to prepare these 4 topics. These 4 topics are very detailed topics. It requires a lot of time for the preparation. That's why only 4 topics are here. Here in the week 2, you will see 5 topics because there are simpler topics in the from the book 3. That's why here you will see 5 topics in the week 2. So it is not like in every week you will have the 3 topics or 5 topics or 6 topics. It is also like I have also ensured that the weight or the preparation time for every week is approximately same. Now here, particular table, the weeks table provides you first the date. Here you can mention your preferred date for the preparation. Okay, this is for you. Then you have these book references. So book 2 is referred or provided in the 2s. It is simple to understand, right? Then this is like the checkbox. If your preparation is done, then check here. If your question solving is done, then tick here. Very simple, right? Now, in the week 2, you have, as I said, 5 topics from the book 2 and book 3. Then in the week 3, we are starting the core component of the book 3, and which is the derivatives, the futures and options part. In week 4, again, we are continuing with the book 3 only. Now in the week 5, which is week 1 of month 2, here you have linear regression component, and here we have the 3 chapters on the linear regression, which you can see here again from the book 2. And see, even in the month 2, we are not starting the book 1. So book 1 we will start in the end, okay, once we are about to finish our curriculum. Okay, now see this. In the week 2, you have book 3, and you will see 1 chapter from the book 4. Now what is this particular section? Now this week 2 or week 2 of month 2, or simply the week 6 of the preparation, is the core component of the fixed income section. The fixed income section in FRM's curriculum is in the book 3 and book 4. You will see a lot of similar concepts provided in the book 3 as well as in the book 4. That's why you have to prepare these topics in a particular sequence, like fixed income topics from the book 3 and book 4 in one go. It will help you in getting proper understanding of whole fixed income area. Then in the week 3 or the week 7 of the preparation, here we are focusing on some advanced concepts of the fixed income section as well as some futures and options. In week 4, we have the full futures and options, and in the week 4, week 8 of the preparation, whole preparation of futures and options is over. This is the last time you are going to see any futures and options topic here. Okay, this is the last topic. The reading number 16 from the book 4 is the last topic of FRM Part 1's futures and options area. After this, you have fixed income area, and these are the super complicated topics. So make sure you prepare these topics properly. Then in the week 2, you have the introduction of the value at risk, 3 topics on the value at risk. Then, and from the book 4, I'm intentionally not mentioning everything because most of the content is provided here only. And here now you have the time series section from the book 2. And in the week 4, which is from the month 3, week 4, we will start our book 1's preparation. And here also we are starting with the most important topics of book 1, which is the modern portfolio theory. Both the topics belongs to the major broad area of the modern portfolio theory, that is a modern portfolio theory and arbitrage pricing and the multi-factor models is covered here. These are numerical topics. Book 1 is mainly theoretical, but 2 topics are numerical. So 2 numerical topics are covered here. Then you have again the theoretical component, theoretical topics, easy to prepare topics. Here you have book 4's some miscellaneous topics and book 2's machine learning section. Then you have operational risk from the book 4 and theoretical topics here from the book 1. And again, full theoretical section. Now this is the week 4. It is approximately 25 days before your exam. Here you should appear for your mock round 1 and then mock round 2. And in the end, you have your revision schedule for the week 1, week 2, even in the week 3, you have the revision schedule. And in the week 2, you have the revision schedule. In the week 3, you have your exam, FRM Part 1's exam, starting from the 9th of May till 15th of May. And week 4 is just a blank table. Okay, so this is the whole preparation of the study sequence for the FRM Part 1. Usually, previously, if you check the 2025 video or 2024 self-study sequence video, you will see I'm discussing the study plan with the self-study sequence. But here, this year, in 2026, for 2026 session, I have decided to provide a detailed preparation strategy for the FRM Part 1, where we will discuss everything from this planning till execution and how to build the mindset. Everything required to pass FRM Part 1 in very first go. And that video I will provide in the description section. So if you are watching this video, say today, and if you are unable to figure out or find that particular video on the proper preparation strategy for the FRM Part 1, then wait for some hours. You will see that video also. And make sure you watch that video, because that video, the video which I'm going to provide on the preparation strategy for the FRM Part 1 is going to be very helpful for you. And using that video, you can ensure that you avoid all the common blunders because of which students fail in the FRM Part 1 exam. Okay, so that's all for this video. See you in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. If you have any queries, definitely feel free to ask me in the comment section. Bye-bye. Take care.